Hey guys, if you want to add a Google form on any website, you're in the right place. Whether you have a WordPress site, Blogger, or a custom HTML website, I'll show you two easy ways to do it. Now let's get started. Now the first method is using the empt code. And the first step is to get the empt code. Now to get the empt code, just open your Google Forms by searching for Google Form and sign up using your account credentials. Once you log in, you'll be able to see your recent forms in this section right here, recent forms. Choose the form you want to empt the link to. Like I'm gonna choose this one and click on it. Once the form appears, click on the three dots menu here on more. And once the drop down menu appears, click on empt HTML. Now this pop-up menu will appear with the iframe code. Just click on copy to copy the iframe code. I'm gonna copy it, and just so you can see it's copied in the clipboard. Now the second step is to add to your website. Now if you're using WordPress, open your page or post and switch to HTML mode. You can open pages by going to the page here and switch to HTML mode. Now paste it in the iframe code where you want the form to appear, and after you finish pasting it, click on update or publish to save changes. The third and final step is to test the form, and to test it, just open your website and check if the form is displaying correctly. Now for the second method is using a direct link. Now if your website doesn't support empt, then you can just add a link. And you can do that by going back to your form right here and click on share. Once you click on share, just switch from restrict to anyone with the link and click on copy responder link. And after that, add this as a button or a hyperlink on your website, and when users click it, they'll be redirected to your form. And that's all. Now you know how to add Google Forms to any website using either empt-in or a direct link. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this video and found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next tutorial.